Oftentimes, people ask me where I actually get my ugu seeds from. This question comes each time I post videos of my ugu farm. When they see how lush and greenish my ugu plants are, they would always ask that question. Ugu is native to the Igbo people of southeastern part of Nigeria, and of course many other tribes around the east. So getting good variety of ugu seeds, it is important to know that if you need good variety of ugu seeds, you need to visit those who cultivate ugu. The Igbos cultivate and consume this particular vegetable a lot. So for you to get good species of ugu seed, you have to travel to the east. And there is no special place where you can get it in the east. There is no really special place. All villages and towns in the eastern part of Nigeria have very good variety of ugu seeds. There is no particular place you can say you must get the good one there. They cultivate very good species there. No one in the east cultivates any ugu that will give him very small leaves and all that. They always cultivate those varieties that produce very large leaves and grow. The vines grow very long within a very short period of time. So if you need a good variety of ugu seeds, try and visit Igbo land. Go to any of the village markets, the local markets. All those markets that are open on particular market days. Like in Igbo land, you have 4 market days. So when you get to the east and go to any of the states, look for any local market, village market. Ask for the day a particular market opens. Visit any of them. You will get very good variety of ugu seeds from there. That is where I get my seeds from. Thank you for watching. Follow us on Facebook. You can make comments on our videos, like and share. Thank you.